Cottage Cheese Fenugreek Leaf Chickpea Flour Fried Fritters. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cottage cheese recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cheese recipes and one of the most different of the paneer recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the methi recipes and one of the most delicious of the fenugreek recipes and one of the most unique of the evening snacks recipes and one of the most different of the chickpea recipes and one of the most delicious of the garbanzo beans recipes and one of the most unique of the street food recipes. It's also called Paneer Methi Pakoda. Today we're going to make cottage cheese fenugreek leaf chickpea flour fried fritters. We're taking around 100 grams of cottage cheese into small pieces, 1 spoon of dried mango powder or amchur powder, 2 spoons of mixed spices, around 20 grams of fenugreek leaves, methi, 2 red chilies, 1 green chili, and 1 onion cut into pieces. Now break the cottage cheese into small pieces, crush it. Between the fingers and break into small pieces. Do this until all the cottage cheese pieces or paneer pieces are crushed into small pieces. Now put in salt to taste. Put in the fenugreek leaves or methi. Put in the onion pieces. Put in the mixture spices and the dry mango powder or amchur powder. Mix. Mix all these ingredients together. Thoroughly mix. Put in 100 grams of chickpea flour, mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. put in around 60 to 75 ml of water. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Pour in around 30 to 40 ml more for a total of 100 ml. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix all the ingredients together. Now heat the pan and pour in 60 to 80 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Once the oil is heated, put in the cottage cheese, fenugreek leaf, chickpea fritters into the oil. And let it fry. Let them fry. Turn it over. Turn over the fritters until all of them are turned over and fried. Turn it over. Fry by turning over from side to side. Until all the fritters are golden brown. Now take off the pan once the Fritters are golden brown. Drain off the oil. Take off the pan one by one. All of them are golden brown. This can all be taken off the pan and the new mixture can be put in and made to fry until all the mixture is fried. This is the final cottage cheese, fenugreek leaf, chickpea flour fried fritters, or Paneer Methi Pakoda. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cottage cheese recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fenugreek leaf recipes and one of the most unique of the methi recipes and one of the most delicious of the paneer recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the evening snacks recipes and one of the most different of the street food recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fritter recipes and one of the most unique of the chickpea recipes and one of the most different of the garbanzo beans recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.